Sincere and sustainable change is a fundamental leadership challenge. There are 5 imperatives. At its pinnacle, there must be an inspiring North Star, a goal that is literally smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. An environment geared towards that goal, in which peers are supportive and accountable to each other and starting with the tone at the top. Leadership has to provide enablement, the tools, including AI, and training to empower people. They need the time and the talents to achieve the goal. And these are underpinned by the performance drivers, incentive or compulsion. It's human nature to respond intelligently to either or both, but these may vary from person to person. An incentive or compulsion may be financial, intellectual, status, legacy, and so on. Any failed initiative will miss one of these 5 imperatives, but taken together, they create stellar change.
At the end of the day, all work products are a combination of outputs and inputs. In our case as lawyers, the outputs are the work product, legal coverage, hopefully levels of compliance, and done in a way that drives high client satisfaction. The inputs are the resource questions, headcount and cost, including the cost of external counsel and liabilities as a result of failing to cover the work, to comply, and so on. This will inevitably be, like any endeavour of performance improvement, a combination of left brain and right brain disciplines, soft skills and hard data.
In the application of, for example, the smarter legal model, it throws up 3 very current developments that are very positive, but do involve change. One is addressing the zero-sum game relationship between law firms and clients. That for me to win, you've got to lose. I can talk about that. Secondly, disaggregating the overall workload, whether it's one project such as a major acquisition or the entire workload of a law firm or an in-house department, separating the cream from the commodity, as it were. And thirdly, the use of technology, big data analytics, that in fact not only just provide more for less, but actually better quality for less.
That personal challenge I put to you. Yeah, not about the future, as James Baldwin said. The future's not like heaven. Everybody wants to go there, but nobody wants to go there now. But essentially, you want to ask yourself, when was the last time you did something for the first time? Your capacity and willingness to learn out there in this conference, but in life in general. It's called micro-mastery. Just learning something, anything, knitting, Spanish. I've never been to Phoenix. Whatever it is, when was the last time you did, think about it. When was the last time you did something for the first time? And that humility to learn will serve you spectacularly well in this conference, with my best wishes, and further on, from transforming from being a busy lawyer to a business leader. Thank you very much.
Ask who all of your stakeholders are and ask them what they expect of you. You will always be surprised. Ask the people who like you the least what it would take for them to like you the most. They will always be delighted. And most of all, ask yourself what truly makes you happy and how you can broaden your skill set, so that the answer is everything. Take this one step with commitment and common sense and data, and follow the answers with passion. And even if you don't change the world soon, you'll surely change your own.